What is going on? I hope everyone is doing very well. Today, reporting from Amsterdam, we are going to explore the city in the next coming 3 days. This is my third time in the city and I'm here with the beautiful nameless person and we're going to show you around. We're going to show you around and I hope there will be enough time. Amsterdam is not a very big place, so I'm looking forward to have a nice walk through. We can see you. Too short. What is going on? Today is the second day in Amsterdam and yesterday we met with a friend of Mia. It was very nice. We had some delicious food. We actually ordered much too much meat, but it was very hearty and perfect, and we could get some insights into Amsterdam finally, to see the city center and also the red light district. And today after the coffee we're going to see the city again and see more of Amsterdam, walk around and see where we can end up at the end of the day. And the weather is just amazing. It's sunny and I hope it will be a great day today. So let's have a look. Yummy breakfast.
Oh no.
Nice. We're having now a very nice breakfast and after that we wanna make a canal boat tour, but we need to book it, so we will see how it goes.
Time can never be your trusted friend or your swan ally.
You'll be staring into my video, you know? You're just being watched, so you better get used to it. Say something, so that people know you're alive. You can say hello.
It's really creepy when I travel with a guy who always make video.
I have no idea who she's talking about.
It's weird.
It's what? Who? Had a boat tour through the different canals through the city, and the guide has told us a few stories about the background of the houses, because Amsterdam has a very specific architecture and when it comes to the looks. So usually there were many merchants living there in those houses, and also very many famous artists come from Amsterdam, like Rembrandt, and we even saw his house. Another interesting thing was to find out was to see that all those different house facades, they all look very the same, but then once you enter them inside, they look like palaces.
So especially in central Amsterdam, it's lots of rich people living in there, and the interior looks must be like palaces. So it's just the outer facade which looks very plain and modest, because you don't want to show too much wealth. You keep it to yourself on the inside of your houses. Another thing that we've been told by our tour guide is that it's possible to rent or even buy a boat on a canal here, and also you can use it probably as Airbnb. So I can imagine this to be a really nice alternative to staying in a hotel, where you can stay on an actual boat on the canal. But Amsterdam is a very expensive city, you can't deny it. So we've heard that to buy a boat which you can use as your own property would be around 900,000 euro to sell it or to buy it. So this is lots of money. I would never have thought that it would be that expensive. It's almost close to 1 million, so that's crazy. Otherwise, there is a national museum. It's called, I think, Reich Museum. It's very close to where we are staying, so that's the next step where we are going to go, and I'm really looking forward to that. Otherwise, yeah, Amsterdam is exactly what you would imagine this to be. So lots of water and canals. We're told about different festivals taking place in Amsterdam, also like Pride Parade in Amsterdam, which takes place on the boats in a very specific place. So we saw pictures, and that's very interesting how the city adjusts itself, its social life, to this structure of different canals and waters. Yeah. So the looks of the city are very, very specific, with those really beautiful house facades, which are very picturesque and typical of the city, exactly what you would imagine this to be. So Mia is now resting in her room. I think that was a bit too much sun, so she's having a headache, so resting but already recovering. So I will pick her up later, and then we'll see some nice places, more of places here in this beautiful, stunning city. We are staying here until Friday, so Friday we are leaving. So I would say today is Tuesday, today, tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. That's the 3 days we have available. We are staying close to a place called, I really don't know the name, I really forgot the name, so now I'm adding this afterwards in post-production, the name of the area where we are staying, roughly around that area. And I can really recommend it because it's not in the very city center, it's a bit outside, but because Amsterdam is such a small city, to be honest, despite its fame, it's such a small city that you can walk around on foot almost everywhere, so it still feels quite central. And yeah, we are staying not far away from the Reich Museum and the Vondelpark. So Vondelpark is our place to go to tomorrow. Day 3 out of 4. So tomorrow we've got another full day, but today we are going to a museum, to the famous Reich Museum in Amsterdam, and this is very, very close from here. So I've just went there just to have a look around, and the place looks very, very beautiful. Mia is having a video conference in her room, like a university project or something. She doesn't have to do anything, but she needs to attend the conference, so she's having a Zoom, I think Zoom or video chat. It takes longer than I thought, but it doesn't matter. Eventually she'll be ready and finished. and we will go to the museum, and the plan for the rest of the day is to see one museum, and we will see if we can rent bikes and then cycle through the Vondelpark or one of other parks here in Amsterdam. Now we are walking through a market, which name I don't even know, and Mia doesn't want to be in the video, but I'll make her be in the video. I don't even know if the camera can see us. I can't see ourselves in the screen behind. Okay, never mind. Back to filming.
Do you want to try the traditional food here?
Huh? What
You
say
want to
you?
try? Huh?
What do you want to try?
Is par or something like that.
So what do you like buying?
Bracelets and some souvenir.
What did you say? Souvenir? Okay, so what would you like as a souvenir?
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet?
Yeah.
Okay. How about
Magnet?
how about fridge magnets?
No.
You want to have some fridge magnets?
No, I don't want.
You don't want?
Yeah, I already have that one, so I don't want anymore.
Okay.
But my friend said that I can buy wooden shoes. But to be honest, I'm not really interested with that.
I see.
So
So
what
you don't want a wooden shoe? Really not?
Yeah, for what?
For comfortable walking.
I can give you one.
You'll give me one.
Yeah.
Just one for my right
You
foot.
can buy the other one.
Alright, okay.
Is that all?
Yeah, I think that's the ending. And also some, you see?
So what is the next destination?
Huh?
What is the next destination?
I don't know. What do you want the next destination to be?
Museum.
Museum?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, okay, I
Okay,
bought this damn, I bought this croissant with cream and strawberries because we are in town again and I feel really tired, so this is for energy. Cheers. To wrap it up quickly, today we went to a contemporary museum. Mia loved it and I was very skeptical because I don't like contemporary art, to be honest, but it was still interesting to see it. And can I recommend it? Probably yes, but still not my kind of things. Now we are going to see the city by night. So we're going to the Skinny Bridge and hopefully it will be nicely illuminated. Okay, I just wanted to say my girlfriend has just called me a cow for many reasons which are totally legitimate. Okay, we are now here in Zaandam. Okay, tourist highlights in the Zaan region. gift,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
What kind of gift?
I will buy this one for Kimby.
Yeah. Show the
I'm
gift.
thinking, what should I buy for my mom?
Okay, what does your mom want?
I don't know.
Okay. It's very cute. Show it. Show it. Oh, very nice.
I'm thinking about should I buy the small one or the big one.
Oh, no, dus toevallig.
Take a picture.
Oh, look at this baby. She wants picture taking,
Yeah.
right?
I know you're Thailand. No, to be honest, you're not.
Did you hear it, people? What did she just say? I'm gonna expose you on YouTube.
Oh, please no. These are candy. Yeah, you can have
I'll take you to the candy shop.
I'll take you to the candy shop. Du-du-du-du.
No, you got we going to hit the spot.
Do I know you?
Do I know you?
Oh, you want to have my number? That's why you play that game.
What's your number?
Oh, I cannot tell you. Sorry, I have boyfriend.
Okay, how is your boyfriend?
Oh, it's really bad.
He's bad?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Specify.